Hi there, I'm Shelley. Meg is behind the camera today.
Hi.
And we're going to make this crib. Here's everything you need for this project. If you look down below in the description, I've written everything down for you. I'm going to take 200 grams of the casting powder. I'm going to weigh it on the scales in here. I've got 80 millimeters of water that I'm going to mix it and to make a paste, and it's got to be a nice creamy type of paste. Once that, without lumps, once that's done, I can pour it into my mold here. Then I don't fill it quite to the top. I leave a couple of millimeters space so that it's not quite full. I then lift it, shake it so that all the air comes out, and then I leave it to dry for about half an hour. For the base, I'm going to use this extra strong casting powder. I'm going to add a tiny bit of black colouring so that the base will look grey. We're going to use 300 grams and mix it with 100 millilitres of water. The mould is a hard plastic form, so then I've got to rub some oil on it so that then the cast actually comes out of its form. After half an hour, I can take the cast out of the mould, but I can't put it all together until I've let it dry properly over the night. I'm now going to colour the three kings in a little bit with a bit of gold. Once I've done that, I'm then going to make a frame around the base, as you can see over here. And then I'm going to put my figures on there, and remembering to leave place for the candle so that then I can place a house in front of the candle and I can light it then when it's dark.